Hey, I'm Michael Coca, Head of Digital Commerce at Revolution Nutrition. I scaled our Amazon channel from zero to tens of millions in annual revenue in just 2 years. Here are 3 things every seller should understand early on. First, treat your listings like your storefront. Don't rush it. Invest in content, images, and messaging from day one because that's what turns traffic into sales. A weak listing will waste ad spend and slow momentum. Second, let data guide your decisions. Pay attention to conversion rate, search terms, and customer feedback. Avoid building strategies around opinions or assumptions. Amazon gives you a lot of insights if you actually use it. Third, be patient and consistent. Amazon is not overnight success. Momentum builds over months, not days. Small improvements made weekly compound fast over time. Focus on getting the fundamentals right: availability, content quality, pricing, and customer experience. Those basics matter more than any shortcut. If you stay focused on customers and keep learning, Amazon can become an incredibly powerful growth channel.